Hey guys, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here, and thanks so much for stopping by the channel. I apologize I wasn't around yesterday. I got hit with a pretty nasty stomach bug just after I got back from getting my fresh hair cut, and I had intentions of streaming the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. However, my stomach had some other ideas for me. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin analysis and what's new and what the news is today in the crypto market. So let's jump into it. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X as well if you're watching there. And let's really get into it here. So we topped out today at a high of 106K following the central bank's 25 basis rate cut. So the European Central Bank has lowered interest rates by 25 basis points. They explained that the Eurozone's ongoing economic challenges drove the decision to cut rates. So basically what's going on over there is the economy still remains a bit weak in the near term, but manufacturing continues to contract, although services show signs of growth. Global trade tensions could impact some recovery prospects, but if they don't escalate, exports could help stabilize their economy. Inflation will fluctuate around its current level, with the ECB maintaining its long term target of 2%, just like the Fed in the United States as well. So Bitcoin surged past 105,000 following the Federal Reserve in the United States' decision to maintain interest rates yesterday. They're now sitting between 4.25 and 4.5%. So market participants, people that are investing, and people that are watching the market view this as a dovish move that benefits the crypto market. Reason being, interest rates staying the same, at least they're not rising type of thing. And also we had some positive information about banks being able to hold crypto. So we're going to talk about that too here in just a sec. But right now we're going to take a look at some of Bitcoin's technical analysis. Bitcoin formed a long-term, is broken out of its long-term cup and handle formation. And this is a technical pattern that suggests a strong bullish continuation as is going up. The measured target for this breakout still stands at 125K. The price pattern, which began forming back in 2021, we saw Bitcoin recover from a deep correction, forming a rounded bottom before recently breaking out through resistance. So this is a classic technical setup, and this usually indicates further upside, and buyers can regain control here with a period of accumulation. So following the Federal Reserve's decision to hold interest rates steady in the United States, initially it dropped to 101.8K after the announcement of Bitcoin quickly rebounded to its highest level in 3 days at 105K. So today's looking a little bit better. This earlier this week and last week was a little bit rocky. We had a ton of bearish sentiment. People were basically capitulating again a little bit. It seems like there was some capitulation, people kind of exiting their positions, thinking, getting very frustrated with this market. But honestly, I think that this is just, it's on track. It's just one of those things, little tiny setbacks. These things happen. We can't have a straight moonshot up, or we'd all be rich, right? And there'd be nothing to this thing. All we'd have to do is simply buy, hold, walk away from it, and we'd all be rich. But some people like to try to trade those types of things, and that's what this market really accommodates. There's a lot of trading involved in crypto. There's a lot of swing moves, right? There's a lot of downs and a lot of upsides. And if you get really good at the market and you can time, not specifically the exact tops and bottoms, but if you can kind of get in there, you can make some pretty decent money, in my opinion. So this has boosted investor sentiment, but Bitcoin's now risen over 50% since President Trump's election, and the expectations of more crypto-friendly policies are also there. So Federal Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments included support for crypto banking and the need for clearer regulations. And he also added, this is added to the optimism. The shift in market sentiment could push Bitcoin closer to its 125K target or potentially higher. So that's pretty much what's going on right now. Let's go over and take a look at the overall market. I'm just going to refresh this so we get the most latest data here. Market cap is sitting at 3.59 trillion. We're still this is still very bullish, in my opinion. You even look at this number as of last year, we are way, way, way up. So I'm not frustrated. I mean, it is a little bit daunting at times when you open your wallet all the time and you're checking your charts and this and that. But I mean, this is just a part of the game. This thing's not going to just go up forever and never ever stop. Because if we did, like I said, we'd all be rich by now. But the market cap is showing, like I said, up about 4.57% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin right now is sitting comfortably over 105K. And we can take a look at the 7-day chart here. So we can see we dipped down way down into the 98K zone and back up. And that's what I'm talking about, guys. These big swings here in the market still, even though Bitcoin is becoming more valuable, more people are holding, and institutional investments are definitely here. We're still seeing these swings that Bitcoin's known for, and it's able to make a lot of people money. So we'll take a look at the top gainers so far today. We got Jasmy Coin, Fart Coin, Mantra, Arweave, Lido Dow, Radium. Radium is up there again. That has been on my radar. However, I just don't seem to get a break in Radium. Quant's right up there. We got Sonic, previously Phantom. Number of altcoins now in the double digits. So this is looking really good. Looks like FET's coming back up again. Number of different altcoins coming up as well. So I'm just going to take a quick look while we're here at the AI sector, see what's going on. We're having some decent movement in the AI sector again today. Paris IQ I actually picked up last dip. I added some more PAL this previous dip, and yeah, so things are looking really good. I'm very happy with this, and hopefully you guys are too. Let me know down below, what do you think we're going to see for our February price target for Bitcoin? I'm thinking 110K. I think we might hit 110K in February. That's just my my guesstimate as to how things are headed here, and obviously we'll have to wait and see what happens. But that's pretty much where I'm at. Thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.